Well, everybody, hope all of you enjoyed this train video here, and if you did, can you go thumbs up? Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video and you're into trains, can you hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified. But this was filmed on Friday, October the 13th, 2023. But until my next video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.